Louis Vuitton, so I just gotta levitate. Bitches come here, we do not hesitate. 50 blunts not enough when you close, we need 50 for honey for package to meditate. Cody knocks in on Molly, the mix with the fennel, Vada, give Vada the Cordier. Pussy wetter than water, she eating my dick, and for breakfast I give her a better taste. Fuck, rental advice, 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 rent. Bitch, don't want, we just bang, 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 banger. Pull a chopper, put money on his head. We go honey for blood almost every day. We go drifting around in some demon, cause bitches be eating my dick on for seat again. Pull a chopper, put money on his head. We go honey for blood almost every day. We go drifting around in some demon, cause bitches be eating my dick on for seat again. From the AR on the loop, hit you up with deja vu. Fuck your bitch now, so you rude. Gucci boots, guess what we know? On the one, we got a scoop. RIP to all the rooks. And with that being said, a deuce, kill a dude, that's what we know. Louis Vuitton, so I just gotta levitate. Bitches coming here, we do not hesitate. 50 blunts not enough when you close, we need 50 for honey for package to meditate. Cody knocks in on Molly, the mix with the fennel, Vada, give Vada the Cordier. Pussy wetter than water, she eating my dick, and for breakfast I give her a better taste. Rental advice, 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 rent. Bitch, don't want, we just bang.